to give you a few ideas of things you can do with those leftover Halloween pumpkins to get ready for Thanksgiving. Let's go ahead and get into it.
For the first idea, I used these 3 cute gourds that I had left over. I cut a small circle at the top, removing the inside and the stem. To complete, I just stuck a tea light in each of these candles and it makes a beautiful centerpiece. I thought these were beautiful outside. They'd also be nice on your dining room table, and I've also seen people use pillar candles and stick them inside of their gourds as well. The second project, you'll just need an old pumpkin, some cute ribbon, and a Sharpie marker. Once the ribbon is tied on top, I just wrote thankful at the middle of the pumpkin and wrote things that our family is thankful for this year. I thought this turned out adorable and you could do it in a matter of minutes. For the final project, you'll cut a hole in the top of your pumpkin. We'll be adding a plant to this pumpkin, or if you have a vase with a beautiful flower arrangement you'd like to add, that would be nice too. So make the hole about as big as your vase or your plant. This plant is from IKEA that I use in my year-round decor. As you can see, it fit perfectly. It was very simple to do, and I think it adds a nice farmhouse touch. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next week. Bye!